Hello kids, my name is Firefighter Don. I'm with Hayward Fire Department. We provide services to Fairview Fire Protection District. Today we're in front of fire station number 8, and since we're not able to get out to your school and you're not able to come to the fire station for a tour because of the pandemic, we're going to provide this to you virtually. So sit back and relax and enjoy the show.
Hello, I'm Firefighter Andy Sandoval. Welcome to fire station number 8. Let's go ahead and come on in. So this is one of 9 fire stations. We have 3 people on duty every day. We have 3 shifts, A, B, and C. We're here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Let's go ahead and walk on in. To my right here is the captain's office. Just like you guys have homework, we have homework too. This is Captain Don. All right, follow me to the kitchen. Something smells good. Let's go see what they're cooking. What's cooking? Stir fry. Smells good. So just like many families at home, we're the same thing here. We're a big family. Everyone has a chore here, so we help each other with cooking, with cleaning. And just like I mentioned earlier, we have 3 different shifts. We also have 3 different refrigerators for each shift that's here. And each one is in charge of their own vegetables, groceries for the day. Let's go check out the sleeping area. So since we're here 24 hours a day, there's our home away from home. So we want to make sure this place is clean. And just like you at home, we mop the floors, we vacuum, put dishes away, and we make our own beds. Over here to my right, you can see Captain Don Nicholson mopping the floors. Hey kids. Let's go see if he's made his bed. Looks like he did an okay job. So we have to get some rest just like you. So this is where we sleep at night. Sometimes we get a little bit of calls, and sometimes we get a lot of calls and we get no sleep at all. So when we try to get some sleep, we turn off these lights, because you never know when a call is going to come in.
Squad 51, injury in a pool, 55760.
Looks like we got a call. Let's go.
55760, West Penrose Boulevard, Cross Street, Ackerman, timeout 11:21. 5110, work AMG 365.
As a firefighter, you have to be fit. So at the fire station, we have an exercise room to help us stay active. If you look inside, we have an exercise bike, we have weights to help us keep strong, and it allows us to keep on moving, just like you guys should. So make sure you're going out there and staying active. So this is where we store our turnouts. On the bottom over here, we have our turnout pants, and then on top over here, we have our turnout jackets. We put these on every time we go fight fires. On the left over here, we have our nozzles and different types of appliances. We put these on the fire engine to help us with fighting fires and stretching hose. Over here, we have our big washing machine. Just like you guys, we got to make sure all our stuff is clean. Looks like this stuff's pretty dirty. Let's go ahead and wash it. Because we have a lot of homes surrounded by big trees and lots of grass, we have a special fire engine to help us protect those homes from fire. Let's take a closer look. We have these big tires. This allows us to drive on any terrain so we can get close to those homes and protect them from fire. Follow me down here. In the back over here, we have these compartments to help us store our gear and equipment. Some of the more important stuff is back here. There's our 1.5-inch wildland hose. We can put this on our back and carry it to long distances. We also have a chainsaw to help cut down trees and brushes. And that's what's unique about Fairview Fire here at Station 8. So that's it for our tour. Thanks for visiting me here at Station 8 in Fairview. Make sure you wave hi at me when you see me. See you next time.